the stock market is down and the news headlines and the TV channels are screaming market crash. Billions wiped out. Has the market actually crashed? The answer is a yes and a no. The market has tanked by over 4%, while the international markets are down by over 5 to 7%. Remember, these are great opportunities for you to buy. India as an economy is dependent on domestic consumption for over 64%. And we are not a country which is completely export dependent. The tariff that Trump has imposed will impact countries like China, the European Union, and countries which are very, very dependent on export. Even a small country like Singapore, where a lot of import and export dependency is there, will get impacted. Remember, India is a country with a population of more than 1.4 billion, and we as a country are locally dependent. So the net impact on GDP is going to be 3 to 5%, not as a percentage point of GDP, but the total value of GDP. So remember, we are not going to be impacted much. Short-term corrections, bleeding in the market is going to happen because we are interlinked as a nation and as an economy to the global markets. So if the Hang Seng tanks, if the S&P tanks, if the Dow tanks, Indian market, Sensex and Nifty will tank. But remember, these are great opportunities to buy. These are amazing opportunities to buy on dips. And let me give you some very interesting data. For example, if you take a stock like SBI, from a high of 889, currently it is at 744. While previously when the market was down about a month back, it went to 689. So there are great buys. I am not giving you any particular stock recommendation to buy. I am not a registered investment advisor. I am purely telling you great opportunity to buy stocks, mutual funds, and never stop your SIP at this point. If you have money, invest more. But what is important is do not look at the markets now. Do not look at the news channels now. Do not look at the newspapers that are screaming decline and billions of dollars wiped away, market crashes. What's the future? They will sensationalize it. But this is a time when entry at these points is going to give you great returns for the coming 1 year, 2 year, and maybe many more years. Stay invested. Happy investing. Forget about the news. Don't look into market screaming headline portals and just stay quiet, stay the course, and I'm sure you will make great amount of money. What is very, very critical at this point to remember is that as an investor, you have always been told your discipline, your emotion, your knowledge are important for you to stay the course and not be reactive to the market conditions. Stay silent, and if somebody is telling you, great time to trade, great time to make money in the short term, don't listen to it. Be a long-term investor, sit quiet, sit tight, and stay the course.